Hi, this is Curt, and welcome to another edition of Fire Law Roundup.
Okay, let's start in Michigan. This is interesting. We have a lieutenant who is alleging race discrimination. What I think is interesting is also that he's a paid-on-call lieutenant, not just straight employee, but paid-on-call employee. And he's claiming that he's being discriminated against because of his race. And he says basically that every time I want to apply for a chief's position, they move me to another station, which make it impossible for me to then qualify for the district chief position. And he said, look,
I don't understand that reasoning. I don't understand, because I'm not at one station, I can't get promoted within the overall department.
Yeah, well, he said, there's a hierarchy, and if you're not at the top of the hierarchy within your station, I guess you're not getting hired. But right, that makes no logical sense to me.
No, right.
But that's most of what it is. And he says, listen, he claims that the city of Farmington Hills has a unofficial policy. This would be like a Monell claim for those who watch, an unofficial policy, which is intended to exclude employees from professional development opportunities based on their race, so that you can't get qualified for the district chief positions. We'll see
if that's true, I mean, that shouldn't be happening. He's also alleging that they had criteria, and he'd get the criteria, and then they changed the criteria. Right. And if you're doing that along racial lines, no, hands down, that can't be happening. But the question becomes, is that really what's happening, or not? And I guess that's what we'll see.
Does it affect white or non-African American candidates equally, right, who would be in the same or similar position, or is it only disproportionately affecting him? Right? All things the city will come back to, and but look, they could also just say, we don't want you, right? We don't like you. They don't have to go through all of this to exclude someone from being able to be promoted. But we'll see what the city comes back and says ultimately.